You meet someone at a conference, swap details, and add them to Nynch, but all you have is a name and email. The AI fills in the rest: job title, company, LinkedIn, phone, so you can build the relationship with full context from day one. Open contacts and click on someone with incomplete data. Click the Enrich button. Nynch's AI searches multiple data sources to find everything publicly available about this person: their current role, company, social profiles, and contact details. Within seconds, the profile fills in: job title, company name, LinkedIn URL, location, all verified and added automatically. No manual research, no copy-pasting from LinkedIn. Enrichment uses credits: 5 per full enrichment, 1 for just finding an email. You can see your balance and settings. For most consultants, the time saved on the first contact pays for itself.